I wish you could get one of these niggas' names that they glorify and ask them niggas about him.
Just the fact from the fiction. Packs of them pitching, cats in maximum prisons, ratting and snitching. Multiplication, rocks that I slash precision. I gave a little more, a few addicts were bitching.
The things that he was doing as a young kid, man, it wasn't even heard of.
Cause when feds come, niggas' mouths run.
Niggas is glad to see us fuck up, you know, cause them niggas is conquerors.
Chill in the lobby, you feeling this probably. You know me well, tear in your eye, chill in your body.
Ain't nobody was like him, but he's here to tell his story.